Logitech? What is it exactly?
Hi, Catherine. Well, Logitech got into the universal remote control market a little over 2 years ago, pretty close to 3 years now. And we're doing something that's completely different from what else is out there. First of all, our remote controls are self-installed, so there's a software that you install on your PC, and it will walk you through the steps. You just basically answer some simple questions about what type of components you have and how you use those components. So, for example, when you're watching the telly, does the sound come out of the television speakers, or do you have it set for surround sound? Once you answer those questions, the information is downloaded into the... You want me to stop? Oh, you're good? Oh, okay.
I'm good.
So, once you answer those questions, on the back end, our database has all the codes and information in order to operate those devices. We also know the characteristics of those components. So, for example, if you have a Toshiba television, we know how long it takes for that television to warm up, what type of inputs are on that. So, you know, if it cycles through video, VCR, DVD, or if it goes input 1, input 2, input 3. And so all that information is downloaded into the remote control. And then once you have the remote, it's automatically set up based on the components that you have for a given activity. And an activity is anything that you would do with your home entertainment system. So by pushing one button, it does everything for you. It'll turn on the television, it'll turn on the AV receiver, it'll set the audio source, it'll set the input on the television, and if you're watching a DVD, it'll even turn on the DVD for you.
Fantastic. And is this available in the UK yet?
Not yet, and it's not even available in the US, so you're not missing out on anything. It's going to be available probably, it's a safe bet to say it'll be available by mid-March in Europe, yeah.
And do you have any idea how much it will retail for?
In the US, it's going to be $4.99, and it's equivalent in euros.
Sure.
And I believe it was 485 euros. Don't quote me on that, but it's right about that. This is the Harmony 1000, and it'll be the same in the UK as in the US.
Fantastic.
Our previous models had a 5 on it because there's teletext, and we had to separate the SKUs. But with this one, since it's a touch screen, the teletext buttons will be on the bottom of the remote. Actually, I think it'll have an example like this with the teletext button.
You have to dock it to recharge the battery? How long time
Yes.
does it work?
There's a docking station that holds it really nicely. I've just been standing here with it. Can't get back to the recharger.
But, let me see. So what,
Yeah.
I mean, is this significantly different from the last Harmony remote?